It's Eric here. This is the closing report for the project signing with Cardano. I will show first the admin view and then the end user view. We're going to register an application and configure it for authentication. Going to click on configure. This will load our wallets from Cardano. I will choose to be authenticated through my NAMI wallet. So this will become my user which will register these domains. So we're going to claim a domain here and then configure it. We give it a display name, callback URL, error URL, these ones by default. The scope cannot be changed at the moment. We are going to add authorization levels later, but to do this, we need to prove ownership of this domain first. We can customize the theme and then claim the domain. So at the moment, the domain is claimed, but not verified yet. Therefore, I will need to prove ownership here. We'll click on this prove ownership button, and then I've got DNS entry to add to my domain to prove that I own this domain, which I will do. In my Cloudflare environment here, I'm going to add this DNS entry. Click Save. Go back to my prove ownership, click Validate. And if I update here, we can see that it's been validated. Now we can go back, have a preview of our dialog. This is how it will look like. Happy with that. And this is where now we're going to add authorization level. So I can have an authorization level, which means I will call it min value, for example. And I will say that the sign-in with Cardano must have at least 2 ADA, for example. We'll add this level. Min value is 2 ADA. And then I will want to add another one, which basically is that I want to see if there's a policy, which is this one, which basically is an NFT. And I will call it NFT, which is this one is called Woman AI. And basically now at authentication time, any user which has at least 2 ADA or which has this policy on chain will receive this authorization level at connection. We're good. That's it. Welcome back to Sign with Wallet. We will now look at the end user experience when signing in an app with their Web3 wallet. We will use this app, tachiko.com, to show the end user experience for logging with a wallet. So at the moment, I'm logged as an anonymous person here, and if I look at my credentials, I have the options to sign with wallet. I'm going to click this button, and this will trigger the sign with wallet interface. We are now on the sign with wallet domain. As we can see, we can go back to the wallets here, and basically we see all those which were connected and those detected but not yet connected. So I'm going to click on NAMI here, and this means we're going to accept the connection from Sign with Wallet with the NAMI wallet. Click Access. Now, if I go back and switch identity, I have the options to either take my Euro wallet identity, this address, or switch back to the NAMI identity, which has another address. Now I'm happy with this. Grant access. This is a message that we need to sign as an end user to now grant access from sign in with wallet to tachiko.com. And we're going to sign here. Confirm. And now we are redirected to tachiko.com. And I'm logged in here, as we can see, with my NAMI wallet address. That's it.